Good morning, everyone. Darius Dale here to present our macro minute for Thursday, October 14th, 2021. So you got stocks up, bonds up, commodities up, crypto up this morning. Well, guess what's down? You guessed it. It's the US dollar. We had a little bit of a Goldilocks flavoring yesterday and today with respect to asset markets, growth over value by 60 basis points yesterday. NASDAQ outperforming the Russell narrowly today, 10-year down at 1.53%. We continue to suggest that our models continue to suggest that the distribution of probable outcomes from an economic perspective here in Q4 is fairly flat, which means you need to have some fairly balanced portfolio construction to contend with that, in our opinion. On the economic front, we got Chinese credit data out yesterday. Total loans of financial institutions, that's our favorite metric to track for a variety of reasons. That's slowed to 11.9% year over year. That's the slowest growth rate we've seen since May 2002. Chinese inflation data continues to add to the stagflation concerns in the global economy. PPI there accelerated to 10.7% year over year. That's the fastest inflation rate we've seen since November 1995. Our models continue to suggest that China is entering the deepest part of its economic slowdown over the next couple of quarters. That's another reason we like to have fairly balanced portfolio construction here with respect to those economic risks and tailwinds. Looking at what's overbought here. WTI is overbought this morning. Small caps are overbought relative to mega caps. And then with respect to what's oversold, high beta is oversold relative to low beta. Getting into the risk reward setup for today, S&P 500 got 3.6% downside versus only 0.5% upside. So clearly not the best spot to be chasing. Getting to the chart here, looking at our range on the dollar. Dollar is starting to get close to being oversold here. And so heading into next week, obviously you got OPEX on Friday, tomorrow, and then you got VIX options expiry next Friday. It could potentially be a de-reflationing, if you will, with respect to the recent trends we've seen in the market. And then lastly, 10-year Treasury got 5 basis points of downside versus 14 basis points of upside. So with that, Darius Dale presenting our macro minute for Thursday, October 14th. Best of luck out there today.